Family and Consumer Science, or FCS, is an academic discipline that focuses on the well-being of individuals, families, and communities. Nutrition and health, studying the relationship between diet, health, and wellness. Child development and parenting, understanding the growth, development, and care of children. Consumer education, making informed decisions about products and services. Housing and interior design, creating and maintaining safe, functional, and aesthetically pleasing living environments. Family relationships, enhancing interpersonal skills and family dynamics. Personal finance, managing money, budgeting, saving, and investing. Clothing and textiles, understanding clothing construction, fabric selection, and maintenance. The goal of FCS, or Family Consumer Science, is to equip individuals with the knowledge and skills needed to make informed decisions, improve their quality of life, and contribute positively to their families and communities.